Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your credit card balance paydown schedule, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Visit your credit card issuer's website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Account Overview or similar. Locate your current credit card balance. Note your current balance and any upcoming due dates. Go to the Payment or Paydown section of the website. Review the existing paydown schedule. Identify the total amount you plan to pay each month. Decide if you want to adjust the payment amount or the frequency of payments. If adjusting the payment amount, enter the new amount in the designated field. If changing the frequency, select the appropriate option monthly, biweekly, or another preference. Review any terms related to the changes you are making. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your bank account for the new payment schedule. Confirm the changes by clicking on the Submit or Update button. Take note of the confirmation message to ensure your changes are saved. Log out of your credit card account to secure your personal information. Periodically monitor your account to track your balance and paydown progress. Stay informed about interest rates and other factors that may affect your payment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.